from the makers of Vezzio is a round chandelier. We're going to show you what the chandelier is about, how to assemble it, and what it looks like close up. Let's get started. Today, in review from Vezzio, is a 24, 27, 35, 42-inch round chandelier, black or gold, crystal with a number of light bulbs. We're going to unbox it, show you how to install it, and decide if this product is something that you're looking for to decorate your house needs. When you first open up your product, everything is nicely laid out. Everything is nicely laid out, chrome and black. These are the parts. Removing the first layer. You have additional parts to take out. Please be careful. These are the crystal spheres. As the last piece pulls out, which is your main item, your ball, light sockets, bars and stems and wiring. We have 80 crystal bars that we're simply going to unpack. They measure about a foot and they have a screw point and they're made of crystal. Go over every single one. And we're going to show you how easy it is to unpack. Pull the end. Make sure you hold them with everything with the four. Facing this way, you see the divider. And then you have a cover. And then lay out the rest. We have everything laid out on the instructions on how to install, as you can see. We have all the parts and material, the cover, the bracket, a 72-inch adjustable chain of your choice, and hanging the sphere. We're going to start from the top to the bottom. Find a location where you want to hang and start to put your bracket on with the screws to the mounting holes. In no particular order, you could put the chain on. Find the height you need for your chain. Remove the bottom link with the height you have adjusted. Place on and remove the existing links. With the proper tools, twist the link, remove, and you have your height. In this step, it's easy to do it on the floor, everything well protected. You have the ball, the main piece, your leads, you're going to drag them through all the way to the ball. You're going to lock down by rotating. There are 2 Allen keys which you need to lock down when it's fully secured. Then you have the spoke wheel that you're going to slide down and you're going to spin on and lock into place. Then you have the ring that's going to hold on to the chain. That's going to spin down and lock into place as well. It also has an Allen key to lock down into place. All this should be 100% locked. Take your nut, take your cover, slide over first, take the chain link every other or so, take the ground first through the hole, followed by your leads through the hole. Pull all together and go upstairs. You have your link place on through the chain and lock down. Everything is nicely into place. The bracket, the shaft, and the nuts all can be adjusted so when the cover goes on, it's flush to your ceiling. With the help of a friend, you're going to lock back down your bracket. You're going to attach your leads. Load for load, neutral for neutral. Take your cover, slide up, take your nut, and start to lock down. With your Allen key, you go over every single area that had a grub bolt. One on the top over here, tighten down. Two on the bottom over here, tighten down. You now have to put on a socket by placing in the lead, screwing down each of the socket, and that is where gloves are given so fingerprints do not go on the chrome. And they do fit a nice large hand. So now you're able to do fingerprint free all the parts. Once all these are done, now that I got all the sockets on, the stems and everything, my next step is to start carefully with the crystals and place on. They go on the same way and they start to screw in. I have 80 of them to do. I work from the top all the way to the bottom. Where assembled, you have two spare that has threaded bolts already in and two that are not. And they simply give you a spare bolt that threads through. You're going to place in your bulbs. Simply screw on each of the sockets. After the bulbs are put in, you're going to loosen up the grub bolts, making sure again they face the top with the Allen key. And on the top and bottom, you're basically going to slide them in any particular order to create your circle. And on top, you have this little notch that they fall into place. Simply loosen up the best you can, slide on and over to the center, and start to lock down. And repeat for the others. A grub bolt, right Allen key, loosen up, find a slot on the top as well as the bottom spokes, slide on and over, align, and tighten up. When you have successfully completed your build, turn on your light and your chandelier is well lit. Check online for further details about the product, what they offer in diameter and sizes of the color. It is a chandelier for tall ceilings, up to a 72-inch chain adjustable to your height. We have the chandelier hooked up to a dimmer switch so we could give you an idea of it going down in increments of lights to a nice warm Kelvin. The crystals gives a nice light and glow and shine on the metal ball of chrome and black. On the center, nice and close up, you can see how the lights shine off. This is a close-up shot of the chandelier in a low lit for your foyers, hallways, tall ceilings, living rooms, dining rooms, showcase rooms, wherever you need to hang a light indoors. In the center is your chrome ball, your bulbs and crystals, with the bar that connects to a spoke to an adjustable chain once you find a height to take off for your hanging needs, with the chrome cover as well, flush to the ceiling. From the makers of Vezzio, here's your round chandelier. Check them on out if this is what you are looking for in a hanging light round chandelier for your house. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.